Using the frequency table on the right, we created this bar chart displaying the frequency of survey responses by age group. As you can see, the 31 to 40-year-old age group was the most responsive, with 40 responses in all, whereas the age groups of 51 to 60 and over 61 years old were the least responsive, with similar scores of 7 and 8 responses respectively. To analyze responders by the race category, we have created this pie chart, which shows that whites were the most responsive, accounting for 52% of the total responders. The Hispanic Latino race accounted for 37% of the total responders, and Asians and Pacific Islanders accounted for the smallest group at 11%. To display the frequencies of the Likert scale ratings, we prepared this frequency table so we could figure out the top 3 categories with the lowest overall ratings. Looking at the first row for very satisfied, we find that the top 3 categories with the least responses are responsiveness of staff, pain management, and care transition. Then, looking at the second last row for very dissatisfied, we can see that the highest number of dissatisfaction responses are the same: responsiveness of staff, pain management, and care transition.